Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do November mid-month reading for the sign Libra air sign, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see Libra, your recent past. Your recent past Libra. Knight of Pentacles, Six of Cups, Ten of Cups. Wow. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Lot of water energy is here. Yeah. And Knight of Pentacles with six of Cups and Ten of Cups. Definitely in recent past you both recently reunited. Definitely because Six of Cups with Ten of Cups reconciliation. And if you are not in reconciliation right now, definitely there will be a chance for reconciliation because Six of Cups is a reconciliation card. But one person energy is slow in this connection. Knight of Pentacles, so definitely there is a chance for reconciliation. For some, in one person want reconciliation in past, one person want this happiness with the other person. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. Six of Cups, some messages, some communication is also going to be happen. This is the recent past. Definitely there is one person or you both try for reconciliation. So let's see what is going on in your connection right now. Then we will get more clarity. Libra, what is going on in your connection right now? Wow, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Cups, Page of Cups. Yeah. So one person approaching the other person and want to say apology, some communication, some messages, definitely. So Libra, I think it could be your person. Energy could be vice versa. Take what resonate and leave the rest. Definitely your person want to send some messages and apology if anything they did wrong in past. Ten of Pentacles with Five of Cups. Definitely they want to offer stability to this connection. Your person want reconciliation. They are feeling very sad for the still for some there is separation is going between both of you. For some, definitely some you, if you are in separation, your person will going to message you apology. They want to offer stability this time with Ten of Pentacles. Let's see some more. Judgment, Emperor, Six of Swords. Yeah, Judgment, one person are going to make some major decisions. Emperor and the Six of Swords, this could be long distance relationship also. One person trying to resolve things between both of you. Six of Swords moving towards calm water. And Emperor, definitely one person in this connection is very straightforward and honest and committed. I think it could be you, Libra. I think you are going to make some major decision, or your person could be, energy could be vice versa. But one person approaching other person for reconciliation. They're very sad for the separation. Five of Cups with Page of Cups. Definitely messages. If it is your person, they're approaching you, they made their mind, they made their decision that they want you back in their life. This time they want to commit to you. They want to offer stability. Energy could be vice versa. Or it could be you. Definitely you are going to make some major decision. You stand by your power. The Emperor with Judgment. Definitely you are very stable. And now you have to make some major decision because the Judgment with Emperor. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Libra, your person current feelings first. Nine of Wands, the Lovers, Ace of Cups. Wow. So they're feeling like you are guarding up, you are not expressing your feelings. And yeah, they love you so much, because the lovers with Ace of Cups, definitely your person loves you, and they don't want to give up on this connection. Definitely they feel the warmth in this connection. Ace of Cups with the lover, definitely there is intimacy between you and your person. You or your person could be Gemini also. Nine of Wands, yeah, they don't want to give up on this connection. So let's see their near future actions. King of Cups, Princess of Pentacles, the Magician. Yeah, they are manifesting you back in their life. They have strong emotions for you, King of Cups. They want to offer their cup of love to you, Libra. Your person has strong emotions for you. Princess of Pentacles, definitely communication. Yeah, they have clarity this time. They want you back. They are manifesting you back in their life. Yeah, the Magician with King of Cups and Princess of Pentacles. Definitely they are manifesting you back in their life. Because your person has strong emotions for you. Lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sag, fire energy also. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Two cards, but I am not taking. Three of Swords, Six of Pentacles. From this deck, Empress, Judgment. Two times Judgment card is here. Yeah, one person going to make some major decision in this connection. Either you or your person could be. Yeah, Three of Swords. Definitely one person or you both could be feel heartbroken without each other. I think in past there is no equal give and take in this connection. I think your person may not offer equal give and take in this connection in past, but now they want to offer equal give and take. Energy could be vice versa. Yeah, definitely heartbroken. Empress, I think one person stand by their power and they made some major decision. I think it's you, Libra, you are going to make some major decision. I am getting, because one person in this connection is stand by their power. The Empress is here and Judgment. I think it's you. I think your person coming back to offer equal give and take to this connection, but it's up to you to give second chance or not, because your person has strong emotions. That's why they are manifesting you back again in their life. And Judgment, definitely some decision time. It's decision time. Definitely you have to make decision, Libra. Yeah, so yeah, if there is an equal give and take, definitely there is a movement in this connection, definitely, because Six of Pentacles. But right now you both could be, or one person feeling like this, heartbroken. So Libra, let's see your overall energy for the week. Eight of Wands, Queen of Swords, and Hanged Man. Definitely you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. You are very straightforward and very honest. And Eight of Wands, communication. Yeah, you will receive some communication from your person, and or you will contact your person. So there will be back and forth communication, and there will be a positive change. There will be a rapid change in your life, because Eight of Wands is fast moving energy. Changes are coming. So let's see your person. Weak energy, Wheel of Fortune, Hanged Man, the Fool. Yeah, your person also awakening spiritually. You both are spiritual awakening. And Fool. Yeah, definitely your person want new beginnings with you, and they want to take leap of faith. And Wheel of Fortune. Yeah, definitely things are turning in your person's favor. Yeah, they're coming back with offer. They want to offer their cup of love to you. They want second chance, Judgment, but you have to make decision, Libra. Yes, this time your person want to offer equal give and take, but it's up to you. But your person want new beginnings with you. So this is the reading for you, Libra. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. Bye. Thank you.